For today's lesson, we are going to discuss different types of food. Do you like it? The objectives are, after doing this lesson, you will be able to express food likes and dislikes and describe basic tastes. You will also review some names of common foods. Let's begin. Are you ready? Sweet. Sweet. This cake is sweet. Sour. Sour. This lemonade is sour. Salty. Salty. These chips are salty. Spicy. Spicy. These tacos are spicy. Mild. Mild. This sauce is mild. Dialogues. Are you ready? Dialogue 1. What's this? Lemonade. Try it. Thanks. Do you like it? No, it's too sour. Dialogue 2. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Try this sauce. Do you like it? Yes, it's delicious. Let's talk about likes and dislikes. Use like plus noun or pronoun, and let's use don't like plus noun or pronoun. I like and don't like together with nouns. I like cake. I like lemonade. I like chips. I like tacos. I like sauce. For don't like, just change like to don't like. I don't like cake. I don't like lemonade. I don't like chips. I don't like tacos. I don't like sauce. I like and don't like plus pronouns. You can use the pronouns it or them. Use it if we are talking about a singular noun, and them if we're talking about a plural noun. Example, if you say, I like cake, if you change cake to pronoun, you say, I like it. For chips, I like chips. Change it to them, I like them. Or, I don't like tacos. I don't like them. Questions and answers. Do you like plus noun or pronoun? For questions, do you like cake? Do you like it? Do you like sweet food? For answers, we have the following. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Not really. It's delicious. It's okay. Let's learn more. To plus adjective. Following are the adjectives: sweet, sour, salty, spicy, mild. Too sweet. Too sweet. This cake is too sweet. Too sour. Too sour. This lemonade is too sour. Too salty. Too salty. These chips are too salty. Too spicy. Too spicy. These tacos are too spicy. Too mild. Too mild. This sauce is too mild. Dialogues. Are you ready? Dialogue 3. Do you like tacos? Yes, I do. Try this taco sauce. Thanks. Do you like it? No, I don't. It's too mild. Dialogue 4. Try these chips. Are they salty? Yes. Do you like salty food? Not really. Just try them. They're okay. Okay? They're delicious. Let's practice. Are you ready? The following are practice sentences. I would like you to use what you learned for today. In this part, you can practice this with your partner. Use the words that you learned today to fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Do you like? Try this. Okay. Do you like it? Not. It's too. It's delicious. Questions and answers. Do you like it? Yes, it's delicious. Do you like lemons? No, they're too sour. Is it spicy? Yes, it is. And that ends our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. You can also check our playlist for more.